Okay, I swear, I barely touched it and it fell off. Barely touched it and it fell off. Okay, this gaming keyboard, this considered this thing object of anything, and this led did this keyboard like towards the window or towards the TV, but this thing is barely too heavy, could not hold up the fan. Okay, I called up my mom, and she just said she just laughed. I'll fix it. Well, the ceiling fan cannot hold anything. Nothing will. Okay, so this thing has like the two holes, but it wasn't mounted from a mounting bracket or anything. It was actually held up by a piece of metal hook. And this thing wouldn't hold up the fan and the keyboard together. This one didn't happen. So yeah. After 10 minutes later, fixed. You know what this reminds me of? The ceiling fan fell down on iCarly video. This ceiling fan fell down on the person. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm not gonna do anything anymore ever again. So bye.